Hi, I want to show you the best and low-cost businesses to start online in 2022. I have 5 of them. Number 1 is starting an online course. Number 2 is creating templates and selling them. Number 3 is online consulting. Number 4, we have offering digital marketing. Then number 5, there's an option to start a YouTube channel. I'll go deeper into one by one. So number 1, there is an option of starting an online course. An online course is just a website that offers content to those who want to learn. So those who want to learn, then they have to pay or they have to subscribe to the course. So the creator of the online course then gets to be paid by those who want to learn. So if you want to create an online course, you can create it with LearnDash. So when people then subscribe to your course or are learning, they pay you and you just create the content maybe once and you forget about it. So I have examples of websites here that offer online courses. You may open them one by one, but I just want to show you this one, Internet Pro Club by my coach. There he is. That's the website. So now here you see the courses that are being sold. This one is being sold for $197. So for someone to access it, then they have to take the course and pay $197 to Kuda Online, who is the course creator. So that's how online courses work. You may also check other options like Udemy, like futureland.com, and others. All right, so you see here, because I'm not enrolled, then I can't access the course. So that's option number 1 of creating your own online course. And as I told you, you can create your online course using LearnDash. All right, number 2, we have the option of creating templates and selling them. Right, for the templates, then you can create website templates. If you hit the link citycloud.co.zw/elegant themes, you have a look at sample website templates that are there that you can also make use of. You can also just do simple PowerPoint templates. Like this presentation that I'm doing, I'm using a template that I purchased on slidesgo.com. So you can simply, if you're good at designing, you can design your great PowerPoint templates with different designs, maybe the ones that suit marketing, ones that suit the medical fraternity, engineering, etc. Then you can start selling them online. You can also create social media templates for Instagram or for Facebook, and you start selling them. There are also others who are making money online by creating templates and selling them on other websites like Canva, PosterMyWall, or Placeit.com. So let's take a look at Canva.com and PosterMyWall. So that's Canva, and that's PosterMyWall. Right. So if you come through here, you see that many of the here, see, we have templates and templates of cards, resumes, many of them here. Here you also see templates here, flyers, posters, small businesses. If you come to Placeit, then you also see the same. All right. So we have creators who are earning a living by creating these templates and selling them to the respective websites. So you see here, this one is now being said free because I have the paid version, but if you pay, then it means the creator of this template will get paid some dollars and Canva will retain some dollars as well. So that's example of templates on Canva. Then you also have example of templates on other websites like PosterMyWall. You can just come and type here, maybe you need a YouTube channel art or a YouTube thumbnail. Let's hit thumbnail here. Let's choose thumbnail. And as you can see, we have many and many of them, ranging from Merry Christmas short videos to even static images. We can filter here to choose for static images. Then here you can come and edit your YouTube thumbnail. Let's say I want to customize this one, and I can customize it. And once I customize it, then I can download it for free or from the paid version. But if I download from the paid version, then it means I will have to pay the creator of this template some dollars. Right. So here you see I can even customize it and put my own fonts. I can put my own images. I can replace this one, and I can do whatever I want to do on this template. Same applies to this one. You can even choose. Maybe you can say technology. You may choose technology templates here. So here you can see technology templates. That's on Placeit by Envato. Then you can choose. Maybe you need an email signature, or you may be in need of social media cover, whatever you're looking for. These are examples of templates that are being sold on some websites by other creators. All right, let's move on to the next way of making money online, which is teaching online. All right, so by teaching online, it means you'll be exchanging your time for money, getting paid for your knowledge. So you can teach on your own website, or you can teach on other websites like Udemy or like Coursera, or like you can also teach on Fiverr. People are getting paid to teach on Fiverr. So to check this option, if you come to the lifestyle option here on Fiverr, right here you see lots and lots of gigs about online tutoring. Here, right. So you see here, maths, tutoring, business, science, other subjects. So here you see someone is teaching maths, someone is teaching presentation, someone is teaching economics. So these are all ways of making money online, being a teacher or being a tutor. So people can are earning money online by teaching via Fiverr. But you can also teach via your own website and you get paid. Let's move on to the option of offering digital marketing services. So you can be a social media manager, that is a page manager for Facebook, for Instagram, for TikTok, or for any other social media handle. So you simply should know the expertise on how to run a Facebook page, how to post, how to manage content, and you can design some simple social media flyers using canva.com, and the link is in the description of this video. You can also check a video that I did recently on how you can be a social media manager and how to get paid, how to charge your clients, and where to find your clients. You can see the video in the description of this video. Right. You can also be a website designer and you get paid for that. Maybe you can design websites using WordPress, using Wix, or any other content management system. Or you can even be a coder from scratch. You can code websites from scratch and you can get paid. Right. Let's also look about web hosting, whereby someone can become a web reseller and they start making money online. Right. So if you want to start web hosting, maybe you can visit sites where other you can visit sites and start web hosting. So let's say maybe you want to become a reseller for HostGhetto. So you can type cloud.co.zw/HostGhetto. Right, there we are. Right, so you can be a reseller for HostGhetto, or you can be a reseller for any other hosting provider. So what you simply have to do is you simply have to scroll down and look for the option that gives you the option to be a reseller. Okay, so there we are. So here you see a reseller hosting. So as a reseller, what you do is you buy space, lots and lots of space online from the reputable guys who do web hosting. then you can resell it to other clients who who you also who pay you. Okay, right. So here, like you can choose this plan. You can buy 90 gigabytes of disk space, 100 gigabytes of bandwidth, and unlimited websites for only $24.95 per month. So meaning what you do is after you buy the hosting, the reseller hosting here, you need to set up your own account. All right, you need to set up your own website rather, which will offer web hosting services. But you won't be doing the hosting on your own, but you'll be relying or you'll be riding on on the main on from the one you are reselling from, who is reselling to you rather. So that's another way of making money online. So you simply fork out the dollars. Maybe you can buy a yearly plan, then you start charging clients. But you should use this option if you have. I recommend you maybe a minimum of 10 clients so that you can start renting out web space to them. Right. We also have affiliate marketing whereby you can promote someone's products or services online and start making money online. So with affiliate marketing, then you can just come and type whatever option you want and write affiliate marketing. So maybe let's say you say hosting affiliate program, right? So you can choose many of them that you can see here. Or maybe you can just get in touch with anyone that you know is reliable with regards to affiliate marketing. I'm an affiliate of WebCity. WebCity, they offer web hosting. So with affiliate marketing, you simply have to refer a client using your affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link from for WebCity, where I'm affiliate. So I recently referred a client who purchased a domain and they paid for annual hosting. So I get paid $16 for referring this client. And here you see my commissions pending maturation. All right, so this is what happens with affiliate marketing. I'll do a separate video with regards to affiliate marketing. What are the tools needed? How to get clients and how to be a successful affiliate online. All right, and lastly, here I have the option of starting a YouTube channel. All right, if you check YouTube channels such as the one for my mentor Kuda Online, let's say Kuda Online YouTube, there we are, and you see how good is he. He has more than 1,000 subscribers, and his videos is very constant. Almost each and every week, he publishes a video on YouTube. So the ways to make huge money online via a YouTube channel, they then, however, differ. You can also look for other guys like Wedemaya, is a Ghanaian who is doing great. Many of them, many of the channels out there, even the musicians, the comedians, you know, this guy is just a fellow guy, is a traveler who tries to change the African negative narrative, and he's doing great. So you can make money online from your videos via different options. Right, you can make money online from Google AdSense. If you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel, you can get paid by Google whilst it displays its ads on your videos. All right, so let's say I come to one of his videos here. So let's say I choose, I just want to watch this one. Where he's celebrating 1 million subscribers. Right, now you see there's an ad that is playing. Um, there's an ad that is playing here before his final video. So what happens now is Mandela.ac.za, they are the ones they are the institution that placed this advert. So Wodemaya will get a percentage of the advertising spent by Mandela.ac.za, whilst Google will take also another chunk of the amount. So this is the first option of making money online with Google, with Google AdSense. The other option is just looking for support from other guys. Here you see he's saying support our journey with $1, then he's putting his PayPal address. Then another option here is just promoting your own products. He's promoting his sister's products, and he's also promoting his merchandise. These are other options of making money online with Google. There's also affiliate marketing, whereby you place your links in the description of your video, and so that you can make money online from your affiliate links. All right, so this is what I also do very often. I place affiliate links on most of the websites, most of my content. Let's say this one that I was talking about, how to design a website for beginners. Right, if you come here and if you go down here, you see that these are all affiliate links. All right, they are all affiliate links. This is an affiliate link, affiliate link, affiliate link. Most of them, they are affiliate links. So what happens with affiliate links is once someone signs up with your affiliate link, as I showed you earlier on, then you get paid some commissions. And it's another way of making money online with YouTube, or you can also be an affiliate marketer who just uses maybe their website and put the affiliate link there. Or you can just take an affiliate link and you start advertising it in WhatsApp groups. Now, depending on the rules or the regulations that define your affiliate marketing tactics. Some may not even allow you to advertise to get their affiliate link if you have less than 1,000 YouTube subscribers, or if you have a certain number of visitors. All right, you can also start a paid community, and that is, whilst you have your own YouTube channel, you create a website that allows only paid members to get access to some premium content. That's another way of monetizing from your YouTube channel. Then, as I said earlier on, you can also sell your own products. If you check most of Neil Patel's videos, most of the time he sells his product, which is Uber Suggest. So that's one of the ways you can monetize from your YouTube channel. So if you check from his channel, most of the times he's always talking about his Uber Suggest. Okay, right, there it is. It's his product that he's selling on his YouTube channel, and he's doing great. So guys, these are some of the options that you have to make money online in 2022. Should you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll definitely attend to them. If you like this video, please do whatever you can to share it, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so as not to miss any videos that we release each Monday and Thursday. Thank you and goodbye.